In this video, I'll show you how to get USDT TRC20 address on Trust Wallet. Ensure you subscribe and turn on the bell notification to this channel for lots of educational guides and content like this. Now, you need to head over to your Trust Wallet, and if someone tells you to give you your TRC20 address, your USDT TRC20 address, what you need to do, you need to click on this Manage Crypto, right? Then go into this search, you type in USDT. Now just type in USDT, right? Once I've typed in USDT, I'm going to show you the one that is TRC20, right? TRC20 is drawn. So you go down, this is your USDT TRC20. So if someone tells you to send him or her your USDT TRC20 address, this is what you're going to copy, right? Come on here and copy this USDT drone. So this is your USDT TRC20 address. So if you find this video helpful, share your thoughts below in the comment section. I'll see you guys in the very next one.